Hello guys, welcome to the Shankari. I want to quickly talk about how you can use Cassia Alata, what some people known as Senna Alata. Okay, it's also called eczema leaf locally here in Nigeria. Some people also call it bush candlestick. So please listen attentively. I'm going to be showing you how you can use it for different issues. So let's start with skin disease like eczema and scabies. So if you want to use it, you just get this fresh leaf or any of the leaf, get the leaf. Okay, then after that, squeeze it with your hand or you can grind it. Then you apply it on the affected area after you have washed it. Okay, so the second method that you can also use it for that is you can grind this very one, grind it alongside the flour. Okay, get the flour, grind both of them together. That's this leaf and the flour, grind them together. Then you try as much as possible to squeeze out the water. Just use a little water, squeeze out the water, then put coconut oil on fire and then add the water you have extracted out from these two, add it to the coconut water, allow it to stay on fire for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, after that you bring it down. Remember, you are using coconut oil. Okay, then you bring it down, allow it cool, keep it in a container. Then you can then be applying it on the affected area after you have washed it. Okay, that is for that. So now I also make a video where you can use it for that's dark tights. Those people that have dark tights, okay, whether male or female. If you have dark tights, or like women, maybe you have some dark area under your body, okay, you can also use this one, use this leaf, but in this way you are going to add aloe vera, and honey with it. So what you need to do is you grind this leaf with aloe vera. After grinding both of them together, put them in a pot, then add honey to it. Once you add honey, allow it to stay on fire for like 2-3 minutes, bring it down, allow it go, put it in a container. Then you can then be applying it on the affected area after you have washed it. Okay, so if you have ringworm, all you need to do is try as much as possible to wash the ringworm wherever it is. Wash it, that's open the face. After opening the face, just get this leaf, squeeze it with your hand. Just squeeze it with your hand. You can drop a little water on it, use it to squeeze it with your hand, apply it on the ringworm. You will definitely see the power of nature. Okay, so now if you are using it for purgative, if you want to use this leaf for purgative, all you need to do is get the fresh leaf like this. Once you get the fresh leaf like this, grind it. Okay, once you grind it, take a teacup or half teacup, depending on how strong your stomach is. If your stomach is not strong, just take half teacup. If your stomach is a bit strong, take a teacup. Okay, as you drink the juice in the evening before going to bed. Okay, it will definitely help you free your bowel. Okay, that is for purgative. So we are going gradually. So now if you want to use it for weight loss, for example, you have to dry the fresh leaf, dry it. Okay, if you are watching this video right now and you are not sharing it, it means you don't want others to benefit. It doesn't take you anything to share. Okay, you have to turn it dry like this. Okay, after drying it, what you do is get some of these dry leaves, put it in a pot, add water to it, boil it. After boiling it, take a teacup morning and evening for a period of time. You can do that for, let's say, 21 days. Okay, you will definitely see the power in this leaf. Okay, so now you can also use this leaf for liver detox. You can use it for liver detox. So if you want to use it for liver detox, also dry it. Okay, you dry it, make it as tea. That is putting some of this leaf in a pot or your kettle, add water, boil it for a few minutes, let's say 2-3 minutes, bring it down, pour it into a cup, a teacup, for example. Drink a teacup morning and evening. Okay, take it first thing in the morning. Okay, take it first thing in the morning. It will detox your liver. So you can do it for 3 days straight. It will detox your liver. Okay, now this leaf also is also antiviral. Okay, it's antiviral, so you can clean your liver. All right, you can clean your liver, you can detox your kidney. You understand me? So just do it that same way. You do it that same way, you will see the wonder of nature. Remember, this is Cassia Alata, or what some people know as Senna Alata. Okay, so this leaf is powerful. Do not play with it. Enjoy the work of nature. Stop playing. Like I always say, there is power in nature. See you guys in my next video. Thank you very much for watching.